Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out this awesome Camry Hybrid. If you woke up this morning and thought to yourself, I want to find the cleanest damn Camry Hybrid in the world, well, you just found it. This one's a 2016 XLE Hybrid with 10,000 original miles. This car was sold brand new at Tustin Toyota and was also serviced there and spent its entire life in Southern California. And this car is absolutely amazing. It is, without question, the nicest one you will ever see. Blizzard pearl over black interior, and it is beautiful. No road rash, no paint chips, headlights are brand new, grille, everything brand new. When I say brand new, I mean brand new looking, not replaced. Absolutely phenomenally clean. New Michelin tires, zero rust, zero corrosion, no dings, no dents, and with the exception of a few very small little scratches, which I will show you, this car is literally brand new in every sense of the word. Southern California car since it was new. Dealer serviced its entire life. Granted, that wasn't a ton with 10,000 miles. Here's your biggest bit of damage right here. It's got this little scratch, looks like a garage door caught it. Somebody didn't pull quite far enough into their garage and the garage door caught it on the way down. Absolutely brand new underneath. Zero rust, zero corrosion, zero stories. Absolutely perfect. I'm getting excited about this car just talking about it. I was excited when I bought it. I was excited when I drove it home last night. I was excited when I got it cleaned up to put out for sale this morning. I love this car. This car is awesome. Last week was a good week. I bought a lot of really nice cream puff Toyotas last week, and they all showed up yesterday, so it's been a good day and a half. Michelin primacy all-season tires all the way around. No curb rash. Wheels and everything are all in great shape. So clean underneath. The other little scratch, which I believe is the minor damage on the CARFAX report, is right here. This little spot right here on the front bumper. Car has all the original body panels, all the original paint, nothing's been replaced or repainted. It's all original. It does show that minor damage from back in 2019 on the CARFAX report in the front, which is that little tiny scuff on the right front of the front bumper cover. Clean title, like everything we have. Interior still smells new and looks brand new. Never been smoked in, no weird smells or anything going on. I drove this car home last night and it was awesome. Just awesome. $10,211 miles. Got the touchscreen infotainment system with a factory backup camera, USB input, and Bluetooth. Push button start. You've got both keys along with the original Tustin Toyota key tags, because you got to have those. So all the original keys there. Nice big spacious center console with a place to plug in your radar detector. That's your thing, it's mine. Headliner and everything is extremely clean. Leather wrapped steering wheel with the red stitching that is brand new, like literally brand new. Power windows, power mirrors, cruise control, tilt telescoping wheel, 8-way power seat. Doesn't even have a wrinkle in the leather. This car rolls. This car is absolutely awesome. I'm not overselling it. This car really is every single thing that it appears to be. Factory floor mats. I wouldn't be surprised if this back seat has never been sat in. Doesn't have a wrinkle, absolutely nothing. I'm pretty sure that's the first time the armrest has ever been folded down. This car took all of about an hour to detail and prep and get ready to go. I wish everything we got in was like that. Nice big spacious trunk. You can easily put a few sets of golf clubs in there. And toolkit. And your awesome donut spare tire that's never been on the ground. All the tools and everything are all brand new. Has this super fast spoiler that adds extra downforce when you get above 180 miles an hour. Probably not, but it looks good. Again, never been smoked in, no weird smells, absolutely zero wear anywhere on the interior. It is brand new inside. These cars are very hard to find. I spend a tremendous amount of time looking for vehicles like this. Fortunately, I've been doing this for a long time, and I know a lot of people and know a lot of places to look. There's all your books and manuals. Again, I'm sold new at Tustin Toyota. Even with that, cars like this are so hard to find, but I love it. Absolutely love it, because it's worth it when you find stuff like this. Because cars like this do not grow on trees. .5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid. This is the 2AR FXE in Toyota speak, the hybrid drive. Zero rust, zero corrosion, just serviced, needs absolutely nothing. Everything on this car works absolutely perfectly. It drives perfect. It doesn't pull, it doesn't shake, it doesn't pulsate. It is smooth, it is quiet, it is everything that you would expect from a 10,000 mile Toyota Camry. So thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I'm sorry you had to listen to my voice for that long, but I hope that I gave you some good information, and I can promise you when you come to see this car, you will not be disappointed. It is absolutely phenomenal. Have a wonderful day.